As a technology practitioner, I don't believe the greatest challenge facing us today is a technical one. The greatest challenge is in the human will. It's in collaboration. Can we truly collaborate and work with each other or not? I'll give you two simple examples. Currently, UAE is undertaking the largest human genomic program. We cannot succeed on our own. We're leading the way. We need other nations to collaborate together to build a global genome platform to prevent the next pandemic. One country, one company, one organization cannot do it. Another example is in quantum computing. We'll be announcing very soon an amazing program between Israel and the UAE to join hands to develop quantum platform together. This is, again, something that not China or US can win on its own. The world needs to come together to collaborate. Otherwise, we'll be suffering one more time at the mercy of another pandemic.